Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set to lock screen wallpapers changing automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That means dynamically lock screen wallpaper will be changing once you press lock screen button. Each time there will be different wallpaper. Okay, for that what you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone here and then go to wallpaper and style, and here use lock screen wallpaper services, and here choose dynamic lock screen and click on apply, and dynamically it will be changed. These are all the categories which will be used for dynamic lock screen. Click on download, and cannot download internet, connect to a Wi-Fi network, or turn on the download using mobile data settings. So here use download using mobile data, then only it will be downloaded using mobile data, otherwise it will ask Wi-Fi. Yes, it is being downloaded, just wait, and this category will be applied for dynamic lock screen. You can use one category or multiple category for dynamic lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. It's taking longer time, so I would like to change the SIM card for mobile data. See here what happens. Yes, it's downloaded now, and click on the category and it will be applied. See here, it takes time, just wait. Yes, it is tick marked, and yes, it is active now, and just press lock screen button, and if you press each time there will be different wallpaper. See here, so in this way you can easily set lock screen wallpaper changing automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. If you want to add your own wallpaper to the dynamic lock screen, yes, you can do it. Again, go to the same settings and click on the settings icon in the dynamic lock screen, and here you can no, that option is not available as of now. In update, maybe that option can be given. Only you can now, as of now, you can select from the available categories. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.